Welcome. In front of me is a Chuwi HiPad X, and today I will show you how we can import your contacts from the SIM card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application, the standalone version of it. From there, click on these three bars right here, and navigate into the settings, where you will find import option at the bottom. Select your SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. From here, you can deselect contacts that you might not want. Some of them might already be deselected and grayed out. That's fine, those contacts already exist. Anyway, from here, click on the checkbox to import the selected contacts. And as you can see, it gives us a message, 7 contacts imported. And when I go back, I can see them now in my contacts list. So that is how you can import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.